I'm going to share a very simple technique, a bit like a foundational developmental exercise from Huna philosophy. I've studied Huna philosophy along with neuro-linguistic programming and M-braining, multiple brain integration techniques. They all have a similarity. And this technique is based on the breath and also you harnessing your imagination, because our imagination is one of our most powerful tools that we own. And the reason that we focus on the breath is anytime you put your attention somewhere, it can help relax. So when you're focusing on your breath, you're getting out of your head, you're connecting with your body, and you're almost signaling your body to calm down. Then your heart, which controls your autonomic nervous system, through your breath, you can help your heart become more coherent, which means when your heart is more coherent, by breathing evenly and gently, it switches off the stress chemicals, your stress hormones. So that means you can feel calmer. So it works on many levels. And as I said, it's based around the breath and using your imagination. So after you've taken a few breaths to relax yourself, it's as simple as imagining that in your navel there is a white light, which is the connection with the source of your unlimited power, energy, or love. It's the source of everything. And imagine that this white light is vibrating at a high frequency and it's radiating all the way around you. So you're surrounded in this beautiful white light, this bubble of frequency, which is intense and vibrating at a high frequency. Every time you breathe in, you imagine more light is radiating out all the way around you. And whenever you exhale, you imagine that the frequency is increasing. The intensity of the vibration of this white light is becoming greater. So you inhale and you send more white light around you, and you exhale and you increase the vibration and the frequency and the intensity. So do this for as long as is practical, or as long as you can hold your attention for, and notice how you feel. It's a simple technique which helps you take charge of your focus, to place your attention where you want it to go. You will calm yourself down and it helps you get more balanced and ultimately build a little bit more confidence. Many other benefits such as creativity, productivity, seeing things that you couldn't see. So you can practice this anytime, anywhere with your eyes open or your eyes closed. So put this one in your toolbox as a simple technique, yet very beneficial for you, and use it. So that's the first one, and I will be sharing other techniques that develop from this one. Thank you, and enjoy, and most importantly, use it.